So we're getting ready to dig up our potatoes. They didn't do the greatest, and they got taken over by grass, but I think they got blight. If you know what it is, leave a comment down below so we know. Alright, husband, dig away.
Nope. Hey, looky there.
There's a potato. Vera, we're digging potatoes. I guess we shouldn't have brought her over here. Forgot she don't have any. Here's some little bitty.
That's all that plant had though.
Yo. Oh, those are beautiful grapes. Dirt grapes. Dirt grapes are the best, huh?
Oh, that's a solid.
Mm-hmm.
I want the potato.
Nope, you threw some potatoes. Well, stay back. There's a bunch of grass and stuff will make you itchy.
Put it in the bucket for me. I'm surprised they're that big with as hard as that dirt is.
I digging potatoes.
Do you, baby?
This one's there.
Uh-oh.
That might have been the cutting.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
So that's probably it. Those were actually the store-bought potatoes that went to seed, and those were like the only two that came up.
There's your big one.
Oh, yep.
I got cut them.
No, here's another.
Well, they're kind of everywhere. I tried to weed eat as much as I could the other day.
There's the purple one.
Ooh, look at those purple potatoes, baby.
Harder to see. Kind of blend in with the dirt.
Show the camera, baby. Mm-hmm.
Here.
Wonder what them taste like.
Huh?
Said I wonder what them taste like.
You washed them off?
Kind of.
Too.
It's more like he wiped them off.
Little dirt won't hurt.
I put that one off. I wiped that one better.
That's a big one. Let's find you a smaller one. I want to eat all the daughter.
Wiping it off like Daddy.
They learn so fast. Good. Show the camera. Look how pretty purple it is in the middle.
Ooh. How's it taste?
Can't tell much difference.
All right, we'll be back after we get done digging all the potatoes up. I'll show them.
That's all we got, but I'm surprised we got that many, honestly, because we had it all worked out and we planted them, and then it rained for like a month solid, and it was standing water for quite a while, and I didn't think we were going to get anything out of it, and then a few of them started coming up, but stand definitely wasn't good, but did better last year. But like I said, we had a lot of weather to try and overcome this year.
Hey everybody, so the, the potatoes that we just dug up. I'll show you. Aren't they so pretty? So basically I just threw some olive oil in it, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some thyme. And I'm gonna throw it on the grill because I don't want to heat up the house because it is so hot. So I'm gonna cook it probably 30-45 minutes just until it kind of crisp up, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Alright, so I cooked this about 45 minutes. I forgot to flip them. We got busy, but they look really good. So I'll grab a, so that's why they're kind of stuck on the bottom. We'll grab a purple one. Oh shoot, I wasted a purple one. Purple good. Grab this little yellow one. So good. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned from our mistakes on the potatoes, but we still got some, so that's better than previous years, so we'll enjoy 2 suppers out of it. But anyway, see you on the next one, guys. Bye.